gonna show you how to customize your Windows 11 from this to something more exciting like this. So bear with us and we'll show you how to do it. Let's start customizing. Good day everyone, my name is Kevin and today I'm going to show you how to customize your Windows 11. The theme that I'm going to be using will be in the link in the description. So go ahead, download everything that you need and just follow along. Okay, you can pause the video and come back if you downloaded everything. Okay, so before we start, there's two things I would like you to do is I would like you to check out your Win version. So to do that, just go to your Windows icon and just type in Win version. Run that, and as you can see here, my Win version is 22H2. Anything before that, the themes won't work. These themes are only created for 22H2 and everything above, all the versions above. Okay, so the second thing I want you to do is create a restore point. So to do that, just click on your Windows icon and type in restore. Create a restore point and just click on create. Just type in anything that can remind you of this session. Let's just say, for instance, custom. It's just an example. You can name it whatever you want. This isn't gonna take long because I don't have much on this PC, and so I'll get back to you when this finishes. Okay, so now that the restore point has been created, you can just click OK. So the next thing I want you to do is I want you to go to the file that you've downloaded, the link in the description that you've downloaded. Mine is located in videos, so I'm just gonna go there and it's the themes bundle. So let me just delete it. I want you to extract this with WinRAR. Okay, extract here. This is password protected, so just type in Hank Tech. You can just copy it from here, and yeah, you can just paste it, click OK. Okay, so now that's running in the background, I want you to first off right click it, take ownership. I need you to add take ownership to your subcontext menu, and just double click on it and say yes, and yes. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is I want you to locate a few files. Okay, so let's locate that files. I'm just gonna open a new window here, and just go to your local disk drive and click on Windows, and then locate System 32. And in System 32, I want you to search for a file named Theme UI. You'll need to take ownership of that file. in order for the page to work later on. So just take ownership of this file. Okay. Okay. And then the next file that you need to locate is UX init. UX init. And take ownership of this file also. Okay, so now that that's done, I need you to go back to the folder that you've extracted, and I want you to install this UX theme pager. This is gonna allow for the themes to actually work on your PC. Double click on it and run the install. Okay, okay. Just install this. It's not gonna take that long. It's a very small file, and it only patches two files, the files that we've took ownership of. So let me just speed this up. Okay, so now that this is finished, just click on next, and you'll need to reboot your system in order for this to work. I've already installed and patched all the files that I need for this to work. So you can just pause the system and or restart your system and just come back and follow along. For now, I'm not gonna reboot the system. Okay, so now that you've done the restart of your system, I want you to navigate into this folder, the themes folder. I want you to copy all the files in here. Copy it. Open a new window. Go to your local disk, Windows. Navigate to the resources folder. And in the resources folder, go into your themes folder and just paste in all the files in here. There is a few original Windows files also included in there. That's files that you already have on your system. So if it asks you to replace this, just skip these files because it's not necessary. Okay, now the job is done. Now we can test if the patch worked. So for instance, let's click on this Mac OS. This is where you'll be able to run it from, but mine is actually not working. That's why I'm not applying my themes from here. That's why I'm just running it from here, because you can also run it from here. um, as you can see, it worked. This action bar up top here looks like Mac OS. Or you can apply this pip dots, and as you can see, the action bar changes here at the top. The action bar everywhere should change. Like for instance, let's say we open up the task manager. You see up top here, it also changed. It changed there also. Okay, so this is session 1 is complete. Session 2, I'll show you how to customize your Windows cursors and how to customize this taskbar here at the bottom. Um, I like mine to be on the left side. That's how I used to use it on Windows 10, but Windows 11 doesn't allow you to do that anymore. But there is a workaround. So um, please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next session.